Our main goal is to allow any student on Rowan's campus to have access to 3D printing, regardless of their major or skill set, can at least try 3D printing and get an experience with it.
People have used 3D printing to make things for space applications, so NASA is using it. I know it's also being used a lot in the medical industry, so if you're thinking about bone regeneration, tissue regeneration, people can make scaffolds to regrow cells.
I've seen a lot of moving and functional parts for mechanical and a lot of housing and stuff like that for electrical. It's definitely applicable to a wide range of things.
I call my dad Squidward because he's always grumpy, so I made him a Squidward model that I designed from head to toe for his birthday, and he absolutely loved it. So I think personal things like that is what makes 3D printing special for everybody.
I'd like people to know that it's not something that's intimidating. Anybody can really do anything, it's just a matter of how they learn it.
We include anybody from any major, from any year, any experience level. You don't have to be a pro at 3D modeling or 3D design. You can take an idea that you have in your head and make it something that you can hold in your hands.